Nagsisit up kami ng tent namin, guys. So, okay. Ayan, guys. Nagsit up kami ng aming tent. Gabi na kaming nakarating. Alas 7. Mag-alas 8:30 na.
Do you want to try one of my...
What's that?
The tent.
Ayan, guys. Pinapump na namin yung aming airbed. Ayan. Ayan. Kami na. Tumataas na siya. Okay, guys. Yan yung plug-in ng airbed. Ayan. Nagpa-pump na. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Pinapump na namin yung bed para may mahigaan mamayang gabi. Excited! Malaki na, malapit na, pwede nang higaan soon. Ganyan siya kalaki, guys. Lalaki pa yan. Yan, pwede nang higaan. Yan, ready na, guys. Finally. Ready na ang aming bed. Ayan, nagluluto ako ngayon, guys. Dinner namin. Ouch! Pumutok yung baboy na pinirito ko. Piniritong baboy ang aming dinner at saka munggo. Madilim. Ayan, piniritong baboy, guys. At ito naman yung munggo. Ayan, sobrang init. Munggo yan, guys. Munggo. Yan ang table namin. So, we're gonna have dinner soon. Our munggo is ready. Ang munggo namin is ready. Tapos, yung hinintay na lang namin yung aking piniritong baboy. Ayan. Ayan, luto na ang aming piniritong baboy. Ayan, guys. At luto na rin ang okay, dinner is ready. Let's eat. Kain tayo, guys. Good evening. Dinner time. Sarap. Gabi na.